Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I have to share this neck fan from HomePlus. Now, I was looking for a neck fan to combat the summer heat, and this has done that and more. So it does have a fan, and the fan has 3 speeds according to your preferences. Where I have been living, it's June, and we have been having multiple days already that are over 100 degrees. So having this fan around my neck has been such a relief in keeping me cool. Now, the fan is very powerful and it does keep me very comfortable. It is more convenient than a handheld fan and it just sits around my neck. However, my favorite feature is not the fan, but actually the metal plate on the inside. So when turned on, this plate can get ice cold and it rests right against your skin on your neck. I cannot overstate how much of a difference this makes. It's like having an ice pack resting against your skin. And it also has a smart cooling mode where the cooling will turn on and off so that your body doesn't get used to the cold and you are constantly feeling that refreshing cold. It is just very comfortable to wear. It's light, and I think it's such a great gift for parents of kids or older ones to help them keep cool in the summer. You just have to try this neck fan. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.